DRB Unmating. To unmate DRB series connectors, loosen the jackscrew and pull the plug and mounting flange assembly apart. Remove the receptacle from the flange by releasing the retaining clips. DRB contact removal. Remove the wedge locks by using a screwdriver. Pull the wedge locks straight out. To remove the contacts, release the locking finger by moving it away from the shoulder of the contact with a screwdriver, while at the same time gently pulling the wire through the rear grommet or wire router.